Alright, welcome back everyone. So I'm just doing a quick update here as far as me compounding. I'm working on the passenger side door here. I got this light here, kind of give me an idea of what I'm working with and looking at, but I want to kind of show you what's going on with this paint, and you can actually see it right here. And move the light back a little bit. Right here, I haven't polished this side back on this piece here, or this part of the lower door. I have done from here this way and from here this way on the lower part, and I've done the entire top. But this is what I'm talking about, how the white paint is stained. You can see the brown built up grime over the years. It's pretty visible. So it's just compounding, and so that's what's on this entire car. And it's, like I said, it's taken a lot of extra time to compound through this because my pad's loading up with residue pretty fast. But once it's clean, it looks really good. In terms of correction, like I said, the cutting pad, foam cutting pads are doing a real good job, and it's finishing out well. But this is just kind of one of the things that you have to kind of keep in mind, especially with white paint. It's more easily seen once you start compounding, and you'll start noticing that you get built up road grime, and it just starts to turn the car like an eggshell color white. And so you'll basically given this thing an exfoliation, so to speak, kind of bring some life back in there, because this shirt looks good once it's compounded out, and that compound's working out really good. No dusting whatsoever from the Pinnacle Black Label. I'm blocking it with the light. Pinnacle Black Label compound. This stuff's pretty good. I've used the polish on some areas that I've already kind of finished on the roof. I don't actually need to follow up with the polish because this thing's finishing out so well, at least on this paint. So we're going to go ahead and use the polish after that, and we'll go ahead and bring some more life into this paint. So I just want a quick update. This is what you have to kind of keep in mind when you're working with paint that hasn't been protected, polished, or cleaner waxed in a very long time. So stay tuned for more updates, and I think I'll pull it out after the polishing step before I coat it if I have time. I might just go straight to coating and pull it out after that, but so far it's coming out real well.